Hi everyone, welcome to channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button first. So let's solve the problem partitioning into minimum number of Deci binary numbers. So a decimal number is called Deci binary if each of its digit is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. So for example, 101 and 110 are Deci binary, while 112 and 3001 are not, because it has 2 and 3 like digit other than 0 and 1. So that is why it is not the Deci binary. Now given a string n that represent a positive decimal integer, and we need to return the minimum number of positive Deci binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. So for example, first we have 32 over here. So we can have 3 Deci binary number like 10, 11, 11. If we add all these, like 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2, 2, and 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 3. So it is 32. So how to find out? This is like very kind of little tricky problem until you catch the trick behind it. So first of all, let's think we have just one digit in our number, which is, let's say, 3. So if 3 is there, then how many minimum Deci binary number we need to sum all those Deci binary to get the 3. So we can have only Deci binary number, valid Deci binary number 1 for it. So we will take 3 ones and sum them up. So minimum we need the 3 Deci binary number to get the 3 as a sum of all these Deci binary number. So let's say if I add another digit in this 3 itself, so like the 32, 3 and 2. So let's divide this, think of individual digits. So minimum we need 3 for 3 and minimum we need 2 for 2. Now we need to, like, we can create any Deci binary number that includes constructed by 0 and 1 digit only, and that all the Deci binary sums to our number n, and we have to find out the minimum. So first of all, what we will do, we will club these two number, form one Deci binary number as 1 1, then another Deci binary number 1 1, and the third Deci binary number as 1 0. So these all three as given already in the example here, 10, 11, 11, and if we sum them up, is 32. So let's take the constraint of our length of our string can be 10 raised power 5, but let's, before considering the constraint, we will take a few more examples. Let's take a bigger example. So if we have 8 5 7 1, so if again in the same case we will divide all these digits. So we need minimum 8 1 over here, minimum 5 1 over here, minimum 7 1 for 7, minimum 1 1 for 7. Then this 8 is dominating. So this 8 is the minimum we need, minimum Deci binary number. So the whatever the maximum value in our number and characters, that will be the answer. So we just need to find out the maximum, the biggest digit in the string n. So that's it. Now you can pause the video and try to code yourself first. So let's quickly implement the code. This is not that hard problem, just getting idea is important. So for the code, let's define a result which will be initialized from 0. Then we iterate through all the characters c in n.2 char array. Character wise we iterating all the character in n. Then we will take result is the math.max of either the result itself or the maximum value between the digit, which let's say from character to digit just subtract 0. Once we get, we will return result over here. So that's it. So let's directly submit this code. I can say there will be no typo hopefully, and it is going on pending and it's got accepted. Now if you want to write this in one liner, then we can also write this code is a one liner using the Java 8 representation. So first of all, we will start writing return from here itself, return, and now from n we will create a stream of character using chars function, that is in the func method into the string class. So we will get all the characters. Now we just get the maximum value of that character. So we have digit 0 to 9 and we will get the maximum value of ASCII number first of all. Then we will get this get as written as a long. So we will get as int, and now we are getting a ASCII value max. So we need to subtract the 0 digit as well. So this will be the one liner solution. So let's submit this as well. It's taking too much time in running, maybe, yeah, it got accepted. And let's say if you don't want to subtract after this, then we can use the another method before this. We will map this map to object, and here we map like character we are getting for each character. We will map them c minus 0. We first convert into the digit over here itself, and then take max, and then from the max we will return get as int. So that's another way to write it. Let's submit this as well. So these are the three, like you can write in many other ways. So that is for Java code. Let's write in the Python as well. So for Python, we again you can write all the like using the for loop, but we will write a one liner. So first of all, we will take max of each character over each character, then we iterate through all the character and then take integral part of that character. So int of character c for each c in our n. So that's it. That is a Python one liner representation. Let's submit this code. So it got accepted. So this is how you can write the code. Now the what is the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity is the length of our string, which is given in this is 10 raised power 5. So it is, you can say, O of m, where m is the length of our string. That's it. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.